The Tineco Floor One S5 Extreme Floor Washer pairs with the Tineco Life app to offer additional functionality. Easily change modes, check device status, access cleaning history and stats, adjust voice prompt settings, and update firmware. Here's how to pair it. Take it off the charging base and turn it on, keeping it in the upright position. Connect your smartphone to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Log into the app and if prompted, accept the permissions the app requests. The app will detect the floor washer, or you can choose it from the list of devices and tap Next. On the back of the floor washer, press and hold the Wi-Fi reset button for 3 seconds and the Wi-Fi icon will flash on the display. Now tap Connect to Wi-Fi in the app. Verify that the correct Wi-Fi network is showing, enter the network password, and tap Next. Allow the app to access the phone's camera and remove the clean water tank to scan the barcode behind it. When prompted, connect to the floor washer's Wi-Fi network. The app will process connecting to your Wi-Fi network, and once connected, the Wi-Fi icon on the floor washer will stay solid and you're all set.